Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Foundations. Today, we're talking about pronouns. So, what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words we use to replace nouns like names of people, places, or things. Instead of repeating the same name or noun again and again, we use pronouns to make sentences easier to understand. For example, instead of saying John is my friend and John is a doctor, we can say John is my friend and he is a doctor. Some common pronouns include he for males, she for females, it for things or animals, they for groups. For example, he is my friend. She is a doctor. The cat is cute, it is sleeping. They are going to the park. Pronouns make our sentences smoother and clearer. Keep practicing and soon, you will be using them naturally. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.